People who sued their spouse. What is the up thing they did? My mom sued my dad because someone decided to prank the wrong house, our house, at Halloween night. A guy dressed up a convincing Freddy Krueger costume and knock on our door. My dad excitedly opened the door, thinking it was kids trick or treating. But no, there was a man standing in silence. The man made a move to step into our house, and my dad, out of panic, pushed him hard, causing him to fall. We watched him fall and his head on the ground. My dad removed the mask, and it revealed that the man is my grandfather, Mom's dad. My mom instantly screamed and cried. We rushed him to the hospital, and few hours later, spending our night at the hospital dressed in family Dracula costume, the doctor informed us. My granddad has an irreversible, permanent brain damage due to the impact. On top of that, before Christmas, my parents got divorced, and my mom never forgave dad, and my mom sued my dad for damages shortly after.